So today we're looking at a 6-bedroom HMO conversion that we're just about to start. So we actually got on the completion date. So we actually completed on this yesterday at 4:30, which was great. So the conveyancing has been going quite a while on this one, so it's taken a lot longer than I had actually wanted to. However, what I have done is obviously we got the keys literally yesterday afternoon and at 4:30, and the guys started stripping out at 8 o'clock this morning. So we'd like to move as fast as possible to get the guys on site. So we're going to start stripping out, getting everything ready for building alterations and everything like that. So let's have a look through this property and see what current condition it is in, because it's actually really bad condition, just exactly how I like to purchase them. And adding them to the portfolio so we can add value, force appreciate the value of the properties, and also produce a nice cash flow machine at the end of the month as well. Let's jump into what's going to be bedroom number 1, which is current at the moment, the front living room. Let's have a look at that now. Okay, so this is the front living room at the moment. So you can see behind me, we've got an actual built-in fireplace as well. So that's actually not too bad condition. So probably just pull that out and sell that. But we'll make this a nice little kind of feature, put some lights underneath here. This bedroom's going to be an ensuite, quite a large ensuite. So we're actually going to put quadrant showers in here. So 900 quadrant showers, so quite big from a shower perspective, loads of room to actually move. Now we're actually going to put the ensuite on this area just over here. So we'll take a bit of this chimney space, and on behind me, which is the current kitchen, that's going to be bedroom number 2. So we'll have the ensuite back to back, so drainage can be very easy to get out from there. Other than that, obviously fire doors we'll put on as well. We've basically got to take this all back to brick. So all external walls will get a 63mm PIR insulation board as well through the whole front and back of the property, because it's a mid-terrace, so we don't need to do it then. But what we've found is the cost savings on gas and electric is huge. We can actually see the direct comparison to a property that hasn't had it done and that has had it done, and see the difference in gas prices, which is massive. So let's jump into the back of the property and have a look at that now. Okay, so this is going to be bedroom number 2. This is currently a kitchen at the moment, so quite a large kitchen. The bedroom's going to be 10.8 square meters with a ensuite as well, which is 3 square meters. So the total room size will be about around 13 to 14 square meters itself. Now, we've got a basement downstairs, just going on the right of me over here. So what we'll do is we'll put a partition wall straight over here. So partition wall straight over here. Bed, I can't remember roughly where the door's going to go, but it'll probably be, I reckon, here. And what we're going to do is obviously we're going to convert the basement itself. We'll put the kitchen down there in the front of the house, and to the rear of it we'll put a bedroom number 3 down there. So that's because we've got natural light, so you'll see when we go down, it's quite weird. It's basement at the front, but in the back, the house looks like it's got actually 3 stories itself. But we'll have a look at that when we get down there, so you'll be able to see from there as well. And we'll put an extra living space downstairs. Let's go upstairs in the meantime and have a look on the middle floor, and we've also got a loft conversion already done in there, so we're going to have a look at that now. Okay, so we're in the basement of the property now. So at the moment we're in the centre of the property. But come into this way over here, you'll notice obviously we've got a hallway just over here. To the left of me, we have the stairs. Underneath the stairs, we're actually going to put a communal toilet underneath here, because we've got the kitchen just going to behind the camera itself. But we've got bedroom number 1 just going on over here. So we'll have a look at that in a second. And we've got the living room in there as well. So I won't go in there because it's really packed with a lot of rubbish effectively that we've got to get out, but we'll have a look at that further along in the refurb as I document this itself. Let's look at bedroom number 1, and we'll go to the kitchen last. So bedroom number 1, this is going to be the smallest bedroom of the lot. This is going to be 10.8 square meters in room size, skirting board to skirting board, excluding the ensuite. The ensuite I think is about 2.5 square meters. So overall around about 13 square meters-ish for the whole space. We've got a shower in here already. Doesn't mean the waste is here. The waste is actually tracking out there. And we have the boiler over there itself. The boiler is actually going upstairs. I'll say in the video a bit later on. So yeah, this is gonna be a nice double-sized bedroom, but let's go check out the kitchen and what we're gonna actually do with that space now. So this is gonna be the kitchen. It's quite a big space actually. I know it doesn't really look like on the camera. However, what we're gonna do, as I said, the chimney stacks in the center of the actual property. You'll explain a little bit more about that as I go through the video itself. But you'll notice, like coming down here, we've got obviously a fireplace coming through here. We're going to actually leave this open, put some actual downlighters in there, just make it a little bit of feature, just look something nice. So when the under cabinet lighting comes on, this will actually switch on as well. So just to give a little bit of kind of ambient lighting. Little things like that can make a difference, especially the type of tenant profile that we have. Those little touches can make a difference. It doesn't really cost a lot. It's going to be LED lighting anyway, so the cost of running something like that with under cabinet lighting, it really doesn't make much of a difference. Obviously, we've got electrical meter over here, so we've got to take in consideration that. Make sure that obviously we can get out here fire exit wise. So we'll notice we've got a bay window here. This has actually just been really poorly maintained over the years. So we're going to open this up, put a light in there. Sorry, not a light, just a window with tempered glass and put a handrail around it, so at the end of the day people can get out if we need to. But also get some natural light in here as well, just make a bit of a change. Behind me here, we're going to have the actual hallway. So not the hallway, the actual laundry room, and where we're going to keep all the cleaning stuff for the cleaners. So much crap in this property. But the key thing is here is adding value, making sure this is big enough space and it's enough, 2 cookers in here and 2 ovens, 2 hobs. So they've got enough space to actually cook itself. Obviously that's regulations anyway, but when you start looking at going bigger, you want to actually make sure you've got more cooking facilities than actually needed. That way you can keep happy tenants, makes a difference. So we are on the 1st floor now currently at the moment. So to the right of me is the bathroom at the moment. And then we're going to convert that into a bedroom, which I'll go through in a moment. So what we're going to do, we've got the stairs going up to the 2nd floor, which I'll explain what that's going to happen up there. But what we are going to do is we're going to actually board up here itself. So we'll fireboard the stairs down to here, have the door that's just going to open this way over here. The reason why we're doing that is because we're going to open up the stairs, and it'll make more sense when I get up there and explain it. So it'll look really, really good from a aesthetics point of view. Because our tenant profile is quite high profile with regards to professionals that we actually use, we can actually put a really good high quality product, and we can command a lot higher rents as well. So we'll discuss that upstairs when we get up there anyway. In the meantime, to the left of me, underneath the stairs, we're going to put the boiler flue out to the front, because you can get flue, I think it's up to 3 or 4 meters. But we come within that distance, and we also put our heat tank in underneath here as well. So we put an unvented heating system in there, water tank through it there. Let's have a look into bedroom number 4. So bedroom number 4, currently at the moment, is the bathroom. So probably showing you some B-roll at the moment. The bath's actually in the center of the property right now, so you can probably see it around about here. Interesting, back in the day I bet this bathroom was absolutely banging, but currently at the moment it's really old, dated, just how we like it, so we can add value. We've obviously got a shower over here itself. This is going to be a bedroom, so where the camera is, the shower is actually going to be in the opposite corner with the ensuite. It's nice sized double bedrooms. These bedrooms are really, really big. I think the smallest one is 10.8 square meters and the biggest one is 26 square meters. And you'll see why we'll do that later, which is good. We're really happy with that. Let's go to the next bedroom, have a look at that, and jump upstairs. So this is bedroom number 5. This bedroom's going to work out nicely. Nice, big, large bedroom. We're going to have the ensuite back to back with the other one, just behind where the camera is. What's interesting about this one is we're actually going to open up the bedroom next door. The reason why we're doing that is because we can't really utilize that bedroom for much. It's too small for a bedroom. There's no point in doing a big ensuite with it. So effectively what we're going to do is we're going to break through over here, break through this wall, and obviously we'll support this wall itself because this is a solid wall, structural wall. And then we're going to do is we're going to open this bedroom up. So we're just going to open it to around about 16 square meters roughly, and then you've got the ensuite of around about 3 to 4 square meters in total for this. The reason why we do this because of the type of tenant profile is we will put a kitchenette in this room. So we don't really do it, but we're going to put one in here. We'll put like a nice little sofa in here as well, so make it kind of like a self-contained unit really, but obviously proper kitchen facilities and cooking facilities will be down in the basement itself. So that way we can get a higher rent for the rooms as well, and you tend to find the tenants stay longer as well with that. So we prefer en-suites and just trying to set the bar as well. Let's go upstairs and have a look at the 6th and final room. This is going to be a game changer in this house and what's set to come with what we're doing with our personal portfolio, where we're actually taking it and setting a new standard in the area for properties. Okay, so this is going to be bedroom number 6. Now, we did look at this to see whether we could get two additional bedrooms in here, but looking at the cost of going through planning, the actual works that we have to do, etc., we thought it's going to be easier and faster for us to get a 6-bed on this. And because of the lender that we go, we're going to get a commercial valuation anyway. So we thought let's just do it with a 6-bed that we can. We can obviously go later and we can convert it if we want to, but with the rent we're going to get in for just this room alone, it doesn't make financial sense to add an extra bedroom. So this one over here, you'll notice we've got the chimney stack. So the chimney stack actually goes in the center of this property, right in the middle. So you probably would have noticed that from the first bedroom, etc. And it is about maybe 2 square meters, 3 square meters in size. That's just a partition wall just over here. So you'll notice this just over here. We're just gonna break through this. But what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna drop the chimney and we're gonna drop it down to level with this floor, effectively leave it in the rest of the floor. And we'll just kind of re-support the roof and redo the roof on the top anyway, because it needs replacing. And what that allows us to open this room up to about 26 square meters, which is great. And then with the bathroom on the other side as well, and we're gonna open this up, so it's gonna be nice and big open. So as soon as you come up, you can get this massive wow factor. And we'll be able to command quite easily about £200 per week for this room alone, minimum. With what we're doing with it, and the type of tenant profile that we'll be able to use. So we'll get white collar workers in the actual area that's working outside, so higher management, etc., that normally stay in hotels. So it's going to be a lot cheaper than staying in hotels in the area, and they get a hotel quality from there as well. Let's go look on the other side of this this room and what we're going to do over there. Okay, so to the right of me is where we're going to actually break this down. This is a partition wall, and then we're just going to have a banister, so just plastered banister just around here. I'll put the TV on this wall itself. What we are going to have is just over in this sector, we're going to have like a kitchenette up here, which is nice. And then we're going to have a sofa just over here, so two thingy sofa. And then also what we're doing is we're going to have an ensuite over here. So this ensuite is going to be 4 square meters. It's going to be a really large ensuite, nice big shower tray. So we'll probably be able to get a 1200 shower tray in there. The rest of them we're going to have 900 quads, so really big quad showers. That is so pretty much nice, loads of space. The key thing here is understanding what is your tenant profile. So if your tenant profile is, say, housing benefits, etc., then you would actually provide a product specific for their needs. Okay, because we've got a high-end tenant profile, we're willing to pay good quality for good quality homes. We attract those types of people, and they stay for a very, very long time, which we're really happy about that anyway. But if you guys actually want to profit from UK property, you don't actually want to go through the hassle of refurbishing properties, purchasing properties, managing tenants, etc., and you just simply want a hands-off approach, then simply send me a message, or you can book in a call at bookingcall.com. That's bookingcall.com. That takes us directly to our calendar. You can book in a call with myself, one of the team, and we'll see how we can help you profit from UK property with minimal time involvement or no time involvement at all. So thanks very much for watching. My name's Nic Clark, and I'll see you guys on next week's Refurb Wednesdays. And make sure that you guys subscribe to our channel or followed us so we can actually, as you can follow our progress through this refurbishment.